Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 250250th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat Lightning. The exterior color is Agate black, and under the hood is an E-motor paired to a single-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps and engine block heater. And over to the side, we have 20-inch alloy wheels and hand-cooked tires as well as color-match handles and mirror caps. This 2023 F-150 also comes with remote start as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature-driven power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with the door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black color seating with adjustments located on the side as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our medium hand free option on the right, which is developing a rearview mirror all with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to our center interface, the options available such as radio, phone integration, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, charging, trip energy, owner's manual, sketch, backup power, pro power onboard, as well as towing, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heat entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat Lightning, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.